Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is the 8th day of July 2021. We are here to give you all a price prediction for metamaterial, used to be formerly known as Torchlight. You guys can tell that this particular market has seen climactic movement higher in price, and now we're coming right back down to more of a realistic price area to where we can actually see where we're going to go. So I'm going to tell you all where I'm expecting the price to go in metamaterials, MMAT. Is a ticker symbol. We're going to show you all that without being confused, right? So if you want to join us, we're here. The doors are open because it is our purpose to continue to dominate this market, and we're actually being fully transparent, right? We're giving you all predictions. We're going to plot it on our price chart to show you where we're expecting the price to go, so can no one in our team or community be confused about, okay, we're not going to come out and tell you that it can do this and then in the same breath turn around and say it could do this as well, right? We're going to lean more towards a price direction, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. In our particular camp, we don't care less about where the market is going to go. It is important for us though to predict it, to understand, okay, what is the probability of the market going lower? What's the probability of the market going higher? And that's what we do. We can win, we can profit in either price direction. So there's no need for us to be emotional. The only thing that we need to do is ensure that we are in position and capitalizing on wherever the trap takes the price. So if you want to join us, we're here. Hit that like button, share and subscribe here to the channel to join our team. So first things first, I wanted to show you all that this particular market in metamaterials is still actually in an uptrend, right? So even though the market broke well away from this upward trend, we're still there. So let's not get it twisted. Let's not get it confused. This market in metamaterials is still in an upward trend. Okay. Don't let no one come through and try to dissuade you of that information, because charts do not lie. They only give you the accurate depiction as to what the market feels. So right now, there's still some strength here into the market in metamaterials. Now, obviously, we're in a massive downtrend though. So again, we're not going to get it twisted. We already see from where price has been up there towards 22, and here we are all the way back down to $6 in less than a couple of trading days. That's how overextended this market was in metamaterials. Now, pretty much we can see on these varying time frames that there's nothing but weakness. The weakness is still here in the market in metamaterials. I'm not sure if you're a bull, if you're a bear, or if you're expecting the price to go higher, but that is not on the chart right now. Okay, I don't know what to tell you. You might be bullish, but the market is giving us bearish indicators right now. When you just look at the chart alone with no technical indicators here, you can still see how weak the market is. So there's no one here pulling your leg. We're not going to give you any fake news, any FOMO, any FUD. It is what it is. One of the things I'd say continually here on this channel is that it doesn't matter how we feel. We may want the market in metamaterials to shoot all the way back up to 22, but we got to be real with ourselves and see what is the prospect of that happening, because right now this is nothing but weakness. This 2-day time frame, 3-day time frame as well, and we're still seeing weakness. Now I wanted to show you that right around this area here will give us a change in the environment, a change in sentiment. If the market in metamaterial is able to break up above $8, then that tells us that the environment has changed from bearishness to bullishness. Even around $7, instead of us being bearish, if the market closed above $7, we're going to be stable, right? We would expect the market to consolidate a little while into the market in metamaterials, but so far we're not even getting that. I still suspect that we got a little bit of weakness to go through. Okay, right around this area here towards this ascendant line is where I'm looking for the price in metamaterial to try to come through and grab some support right there, and that's around $5. Okay, $5, and if we get continued weakness, we're going to come all the way back down to like $4.25, $4.50. So let me show you all the 5-day time frame. And again, there's a lot of weakness. Okay. So be very careful of listening to individuals who tell you that this is a buy, right? One of the things that we definitely don't say on this channel is buying the dips, right? Can you imagine the ones who did videos in metamaterials back here telling everyone to buy the dip, and then they did another YouTube video here telling you to buy the dip, and now you're gonna see people come out with videos now telling you to buy the dip again. So let me go ahead and do a price prediction into the market in metamaterials real quick. 2 weeks time frame, yeah, the market's still giving us a week. Like I said, I still think we got a little bit lower to go, not too far. And then from that movement, this is massively bearish though, right there on the 3 weeks time frame, massively bearish. Okay, so let me switch this back over to the daily. So I set around $5. So we still got like 14% movement to the downside to go through in metamaterials. $7 is our closest area of restriction. I would say like $7.40. Our first area TP though is going to be right there around $5. Okay, so be prepared for that. That gives us around 14% movement to the downside, all the way back down to like $4.45. Okay, and you still see, even though the market can drop another 23%, it will still touch us on that ascending line right there. Okay, so that's it. That's pretty much what I'm getting. Just wanted to come through, tell everyone in our community what we're expecting this price to do in metamaterials, so that we won't have any excuse as to why the market continue to go lower. And I mean, if you guys look for all of that excitement, all of those high-pitched entertainment voices, we're not that channel. We take this more seriously than just trying to get you all to click and watch to be entertained. We definitely want to predict price movements so that we can always be in position and win from wherever the price goes, right? So if you want to be part of our team and our community, we're here. If you want to be serious, we're here. Make sure you drop that comment in the comment section. Tell me where you think metamaterials is going to go right before the price gets there, so that you can win, right? And let's not be confusing, right? There's enough confusion already going on in this space. I mean, you got YouTube channels looking at short interest reports, you got YouTubers looking at earnings reports, they're looking at tweets, they're looking at other websites, they're looking at research reports, and they call this quote unquote due diligence, and it doesn't require all that information. There's trillions of dollars being switched every trading day, and you don't think that these massive institutions, these hedge funds, haven't done their research? And whenever they do their research and when they complete it, they go ahead and execute where they expect these prices to go. And the price chart is the even playing field, and it tells us precisely what they expect. So all we have to do is interpret it and get in position before them, and we win. So join us. Make sure you hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. Make sure you maintain a profitability as well. Peace.